कर कोशिश पूरी। मम्मी और पापा करते इंतजार, कब आएगा वो खुशियों का त्योहार। 12 जनवरी को लिखेंगे हम एक नया इतिहास, हम सब होंगे पास, हम सब होंगे पास।
Am I audible, visible?
Yes, sir.
How are you, Rajeshwari? I hope everything is good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
So, Shwarya is also here.
Hello, Rajeshwari.
Hello, sir.
So, you always used to sit in the right side of me, and again, you are on my right side only. So, I think we'll just give a brief intro, then you can continue. So, she was our regular batch student in Delhi FNG, okay, and she started from the day one. I saw her in the class. They had a group, rather, I should say the word cohort. They had a cohort, and we did prospective study in which all the students were able to, pass the exam. So, there was no risk factor involved. Only exposure was education, education, education. So I would like her to further continue. She got 246 marks, and I think she's in top 5, maybe top 3 or 4, because we don't compare the rank. Apna kaam kya hai? Teach and focus on the outcome. Outcome is good marks, and our next target is to see her get a top 1000 rank in the NEET PG. That will be our next target. So I think we'll start with you, Dr. Aishwari. Congratulations, and
Thank
please
you so much.
say about your journey, because people are more curious ki sir, how she prepared, how she got such a great score. We are not able to pass, how she got such a great score. So please continue.
Thank you so much, sir. Firstly, I am so happy that I got good marks in my first attempt. During my process, NLC helped me so much, sir. And the faculty of NLC are very good. And from start, I attended classes from the day one, sir, actually. And the timings of test, regular tests and discussion, it was very nice, sir, in NLC. Everything is good, sir. I can't express in my words.
So basically, I just like to ask, when you started studying, like you studied from first year, second, because some people they take it only when they come to Delhi, they will study. So just tell them.
Actually, I used it to study for my classes in my university, sir.
Okay.
But proper preparation of my FMG started in my fifth year, sir. I started my preparation in fifth year and continued till sixth year, and NLC helped me to increase my level of preparations.
Okay. So basically, first thing is she joined in NLC offline, and she was consistent. Like she attended each and every class. Sometimes they were hectic classes, like 10, 12-hour classes. Like Pritesh sir will take very long classes.
Yes, sir.
He will take almost 12-hour classes, and he will give very less breaks also. But they didn't miss any single class.
Yes, sir. It's true. I attended every class. I didn't even skip one class, sir. It helped me so much in my preparation, and I followed workbooks of NLC, sir. Those are very good books. Till the end of my preparation, I only followed the workbooks, sir, and I read the books and used it to do QBank. And
Okay. No, that's great. That's great. And what about what do you say GTs and the importance? I think Dr. Devraj has also joined in. So what about the GTs?
yes, sir, I gave all GTs in NLC, sir.
And each GT we made, I think, more and more tougher.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And she used to get always in top. So we used to always discuss that Rajeshwari will get 210, 20, 15, maybe. We don't know, but she used to top almost all the tests, 80% all the tests. And she got the same in here also.
Girl is going to score beyond 200 anyhow. Even
Yes.
if she performs very bad, she will perform and she will score more than 200. It was a general expectation. We didn't expect that she will be among the All India toppers for the FMG exam. So,
Sir, I'm really glad that I got good marks, and I am also the part of NLC, sir, so that I can at least I don't have words, sir.
She never used to speak in class also. Okay? She is someone who will just smile,
I'm-
give the answer, only give the answer. Like all faculty will say, this girl is going to make NLC very proud. मतलब विस सर ने बोला ये इसको बहुत अच्छा आता है because she knew very well about the subject. So I think she must have studied earlier and that's something good. So all those who are watching, please don't waste time कि इंडिया में आके पढ़ेंगे. इंडिया में you can improve. Like I think she got some boost by her classes. But if you really want to do well, I think start from second, third year itself. That is the right time to do.
Yes, that's a fact.
Yes.
So, what about your friends and how you used to prepare? Study alone or you had group discussion? Group, what do you used to study?
During classes, we used to have group discussions, sir. And the best thing is, NLC provided classroom for studying even at 12 o'clock, and we used to study there.
Not many times when we entered in the class for
Yes.
night and evening.
Yes, sir.
Her groups, they used
Many
to study
people are going to libraries.
ऐसा we are studying.
Yes, sir. We used to study.
And only NSC does this. Nobody else.
Yes, sir. That's true. Our 8 members used to think that Ashish sir is very great, that he's affording a classroom for studying till late nights. You are so great, sir.
Thank you, thank you. So basically, she not only increased her level, but she also boosted. I think some of her friends got 150s, but I
Yes.
think she played a role in their preparation also. Because what we teach, we teach till some 7, 8 p.m. After the 4 or 5 hours, they are studying together and they will always sit in the like second row, right side. So I always know that these people are sitting and I used to ask them questions, they will perform. But I knew okay, this batch is going to do very well. In fact, out of all the students we had, almost till now, we have got 75% people who have passed. More we are waiting. But I think this is a very good. This batch, how many were there? Just give your batch and college details.
Sir, mine.
Yeah, your college and this. Yeah.
I am from KRSU Bishkek, sir, Kyrgyzstan, and we joined we are 8 members. We joined together in group, and from the day one, everyone attended classes, sir. And we are consistent throughout our journey, sir. Like 6 months, it was like very hard for us, but somehow we managed, and everyone in our group passed, sir.
So that is something 100% result. So वो मैं हमेशा बोलता था ना NLC will get 100% NLC. So I think this time it came true. We got at least 5 universities which gave us 100% result. Okay, there was Carbadino also, which also gave 100%. उनका group नहीं था Ashima वाला, they also passed.
Yes, they also passed.
Okay. So ठीक है, so we are very happy that we are getting this results. 100% is I think the dream of any faculty, any institute, and I think you made it possible. So I think I like this thing to tell to other students. Please study in good groups. Self-study is very good, perfect. But when other people are there, it increase the level. Like you're watching a cricket match alone and Kohli or whatever hit a 6, you say, yeah, 6. And you say, nobody here. But when you're in a group, you enjoy more, you achieve more. It should be a good group. कहीं ऐसा भी group होता है सिर्फ time waste करता रहता है. We had such kind of groups also.
We have seen.
Wasting time. But we have groups also. We are always studying and always trying to increase each other group.
And this is the beauty of offline class, sir. Because in
Yes.
online class or in any other mode, you don't get a cohort. And
Yes.
I'll tell you very frankly, Rajeshwari is one of the reasons for many students trying to score hard and score good. I remember, I think in all the tests there was competition between Rajeshwari and Anand. They were trying to make them just score, do better than each other. This was good, and this creates a good competitive atmosphere in the class, and everybody studies and everybody pushes himself. This is the beauty of joining offline classes also as well. So that's why, from a student point of view, I'm telling you, because we all have been students. Then only we have passed MBBS, PG, anything, every entrance exam, everything. For any entrance exam, you need a good cohort. You need a good group as sir is telling, and this you will get in the classroom study only.
And
Because all
second thing
students
is, yeah,
from good academic background, dedicated students, they will motivate you and push you to go
That's-
farther and farther.
and second is the number of tests these people give is like marvelous. I think more than 40 plus tests they gave offline only.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
they have QBank, and I asked them to practice as many. Matlab, if you have finished FMG QBank, start NEET PG. If you've done that, then you can go for INICT. But please don't sit idle. keep solving. And 80% people used to give the test. Again, she also know. मैं कई बार मैंने बोला ये देख नहीं रहे. Some people will mark 0 just to humiliate कि भाई तुमने टेस्ट नहीं दिया, will put 0 marks. And then also they will not give. And just like that, 80% were giving the test and
Result
75.
80%.
That means what? Almost 95% people who gave the test pass, even if they were not able to get good score.
टोटल बैच का रिजल्ट भी ऑलमोस्ट सर ऑफलाइन बैच का भी हम 80% के आसपास लोग
Yes.
पास हुए जो लोग देते थे ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबॉडी हैज पास्ड
So that's what I say. Okay, even if you fail, na, don't worry. She was a topper, but even then she's giving. वो बोले I am a topper. I will obviously pass. Why should I give the test? So I think that is not a good excuse. Even for topper, even for the bottom ranker, tests are a must.
यस सर
True, sir.
So what is the reaction of your parents, Raishwari? What they said to you?
They are so happy, sir. Actually, they didn't expected that score. Actually, after exam, I'm not so confident that I can I will pass. I am confident that I will pass exam, sir. But I don't know. I didn't expected this score, sir. This time paper was little tricky.
Yes, very conceptual paper.
Yes, sir. So I told them, don't be so confident that I will get highest score. But I said I will pass definitely. But when the result came, they were like emotional, sir. So much emotional. Like we are traveling from Delhi to Andhra, sir. Yesterday night I reached home.
Wow. So I'll tell you one thing. First thing is, any student who has got such a great score, they all do very well in the NEET PG because the question bank of NEET PG FMG is almost same. If you can replicate similar performance in the NEET PG, I think you will be in the top 1,000 easily. So just continue your effort. Don't stop studying because I know you will not stop. But बोलना बनता है because sometime when internship start ना, people are like छोड़ो ना हो गया कर लेंगे. वो एक साल break will make your study difficult. So I only request you to keep studying. थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ है ना. You keep on doing so that you don't lose the track of your hard work. जो तुमने किया prepare में किया Delhi में, it should not be wasted.
Okay, sir.
And plus, second thing is, I think internship should start as soon as possible so that you should give our next year NEET PG exam and we'll all be waiting okay, to have
Sure.
a great rank. So, what is your dream branch?
Medicine, sir.
Great. So, we'll have one more great medicine. Regarding medicine, what was your review of medicine in NLC? Okay.
Sir, it was great, sir. Actually, simplified manner, covered everything in a simplified manner. Nothing is left behind, sir.
Yeah, because people say in NLC, Ashish sir teach medicine. Is it comfortable? Yesterday also we were discussing with Ashima and उसने यही बोला कि sir, I was also not sure because I've done from other apps medicine and I was sure कि they look very less. Like my medicine is 250 pages. So since the 250 pages में हो जाएगा, मैंने कहा I also know it is less. But what I'm doing is deliberately I'm skipping 10-20% of topic which are very big but may not be that useful. Plus hematology I'll cover later in revision. So I'm skipping that part, but don't worry. That rheumatology part or maybe some autoimmune part or the hematology I'll cover later. But please focus on this cardio, neuro, then endo and pulmonology. These
and
four
bulk of the examination
they
questions
will
come
cover.
from these topics only.
Yes, sir.
See, experience matters a lot. You must trust the teacher and the process. Ashish sir is known for this. He is like, matlab, he simplifies things in such a manner that he will make you make medicine easy for you to read. Otherwise, when you go from different apps, you find it difficult. We have one more student of our online batch,
Dr. Adarsh,
Mr. Dr. Adarsh.
how
Congratulations,
are you, bhai?
Adarsh.
So I think you can hear us, Adarsh.
Yes, sir. Good evening,
Congratulations,
sir.
bhai.
Okay.
So I think we are very proud to have our pass out students. Okay, and I really wish them to continue their hard work and will be so happy to actually say कि yes, we have someone in maybe top 1,000, top 100. It'll be a proud because FMGs they need to now show that how good they are. वो जो एक टैब लगा हुआ है ना कि FMG means inferior, वो कहते हैं ना ठप्पा हटाना है, ठीक है ना? Like we have to create a brand कि FMG means it could be good or bad. Like Chinese quality, they are a brand कि China means bad quality, but now the China is making top class, like cars. They are making top car, like IT, their phone. Suddenly they are like competing with the American companies in terms of AI, electrical. Even Elon Musk is afraid of their cars. BYDs है उनका, तो मतलब what I'm saying is the FMG should create their own brand image which is completely changed. कि पहले बोलते थे FMG माने इनको नहीं आता, ये बड़े बेकार है, इंडिया में सीट नहीं मिला. First, all FMGs now are NEET UG qualified. That's the first thing. Clear? Number two, all of them are now working hard to pass the exam because the exam is not easy anymore. It used to be easy some time back where one-liners will come. Now the paper is conceptual, fully NEET PG based. So all our students are now asked to do what? To do our NEET PG preparation, and that will help in their FMG preparation. So that's what I want all of you, starting with our Rajeshwari, to show that yes, how good FMGs are. So ये जो stigma लगा है कि FMG means inferior, वो हट जाएगा. So any last message, Rajeshwari, for your juniors who are studying currently, or any student anywhere who want to, like prepare for exam?
I suggest them, if possible, I suggest them to join in NLC, sir, because because it is true, sir. I should accept that I have evaluated from 10% to remaining 90% in NLC, sir. True, it is true. And all the faculty are excellent and very friendly in nature, and everything is well in NLC, sir. And mainly the timings, classes will go in time, and test after every subject there will be test. Nothing is left behind. Every test and explanations. It is very nice.
So I think we will be very happy that people who are coming. See, I'll tell you one very simple thing. Okay, offline is superior. That I say, she also vouched for that. She has done app also. Okay, and she took class also, and she just say ki offline is better because you are able to understand, you are able to recall, revise much better. So that's why I will also suggest, if those who are having difficulty understanding or coping, they should take offline. Live, if she would have taken live or app also, she would have done very well. Because a brilliant person like her is not dependent on any source. I've seen toppers, they will be, having each and every possibility. And I really wish her to continue the same journey and achieve greater success in future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome. We're waiting to meet you. Come to Delhi. We'll
and one more same thing, sir. I suggest them to join offline more than online, because some people are not consistent at home joining online. So better if offline, it will be more better than the online, sir.
That's true.
That's very true. And I think this is a very important line from a topper, because maybe this will inspire other students who are just locked in the room thinking that they will just do recorded videos of any app. A lot of apps are there, not to name, but this is not the way you study, because you cannot focus for more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes watching any recorded video. Your eyes will get fatigued, your ciliary muscles will get fatigued, and after that you will feel sleepy, or you will open some Instagram, YouTube, and you will have a lot of diversions.
That's true. So I think one more thing I will like to add is that students who are preparing, unke message, I am getting almost 800 messages per day. So abhi tak mere 16 hai, my fingers are all aching. Till morning 5 I replied, but still I could not reply all. So now I'm asking them to follow a very simple routine. And most of them, what? They got 130s, 140s. And they said ki sir, we did RR, we left the study, we didn't do. Matlab, they are themselves admitting there was some error from their side. So I think that is a true fact that kahin na kahin pe students ke behalf pe bhi kuch na kuch error hai. Aur wahi main aap logon se bol raha hu, you people have passed. So you have gone through everything. So your review is genuine ki yes, we were doing all the tests, all the classes, we didn't miss even the smallest subject. Even if there's a repeat class, she will be there. If revision class, she will. So I think that is the same thing I will request all the students to do, especially those who are passed. I think I will also take their review. So Adarsh, Rizwan, kaise mere bhai?
Ji sir.
Chalo, so we are having 3 of our beloved students who pass with us, and I think that is something very commendable. So थोड़ा सा introduce कराते हैं. आदर्श, थोड़ा सा तुम बोलो पहले. Anything about?
ये सर, जैसे मैं आपकी क्लासेस करता था, तो सर उसको जैसे जब मैं एग्जाम में बैठा था तो पीछे लग रहा था कि आप बोल रहे हो कि इसका आंसर ये, वो आपकी सब चीज मेरे दिमाग में घूम रहे थे, तो मैं इसका आंसर क्लिक कर रहा था सर. किसी भी कैटेगरी के कोई पूरा और लेकिन फिर वो दिमाग में फिट हो जाते थे सर मेरे, खुद से ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल होता था मेरे लिए।
That's really great. So what is the advice you'll give to the ones who are preparing one by one? अरे पहले तुम बताओ भाई।
मैं एडवाइस यही दूंगा सर, जैसे जो टेस्ट वगैरह होते हैं वो रेगुलर टेस्ट देते हैं, जैसे सर कॉन्सेप्ट एक बार क्लियर हो जाता है लेकिन क्वेश्चन सही नहीं होता, तो मोस्टली सर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस में फोकस करूंगा। ट्राई से भी क्वेश्चन करो लेकिन क्वेश्चन को ज्यादा जरूरी रहती है।
रिजवान तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस बताओ फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग।
जी सर। सर नमस्कार सर। सर पहले ये कहना चाहेंगे सर, बहुत प्रयास कर रहे थे आपसे बात करने के लिए।
बिल्कुल भाई, भी मिलना भी अभी ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू, इट्स जस्ट ऑनलाइन मीट, ठीक है। वी वांट यू टू कम टू दिल्ली फॉर योर पासिंग सर्टिफिकेट एंड विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू वंस अगेन मीट यू, फेलिसिटेट यू, गिव यू सर्टिफिकेट, गिव यू ट्रॉफी, स्वीट्स। सो एक छोटा सा मिनी सेलिब्रेशन भी पेंडिंग है, ठीक है। मिलेंगे नीट पीजी के लिए
जरूर सर, आएंगे जरूर आएंगे,
जरूर मिलेंगे सर आपको।
तो रिजवान हाँ कंटिन्यू करो भाई, जर्नी बताओ।
जी सर जरूर आएंगे, आपसे मिलेंगे। सर कहना चाह रहे थे कि सर जो नोट्स होते हैं, जो रैपिड रिवीजन नोट्स होते हैं, या जो भी आपने वीडियो भी जो डाले हुए हैं यूट्यूब पे, वो काफी इफेक्टिव है सर।
Yes.
आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं, जो बुक से पढ़ रहे हैं, जो भी आप पहले से जो नॉलेज लिए हुए, जो थ्रू आउट द 6 ईयर या 5 ईयर आप जो पढ़े हुए हैं, हाँ, तो वो रैपिड रिवीजन जो नोट्स होते हैं और जो वीडियो आपके जो हो यूट्यूब पे होते हैं, सेशंस होते हैं, क्वेश्चंस जो आप कराते हैं, वो बहुत इफेक्टिव है सर।
नहीं बट what do you say? It should be a streamlined study or just random कभी भी कुछ भी पढ़ लिया, क्या कहते हो?
नहीं, स्ट्रीमलाइन सर। गो थ्रू द योर नोट्स या योर बुक्स, या जो भी आप जिस भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से जुड़े हुए हैं, वो रैपिड रिवीजन हो चाहे मेन वीडियो हो, जो आपको मतलब लग रहा है कि हाँ डाउट है, ये टॉपिक्स में हम नहीं है, अधूरे हैं, इनकम्प्लीट है, तो टॉपिक्स पहले आप पढ़े अच्छे से, तब क्वेश्चन पे जाएं। पहले सर बहुत जल्दबाजी में लोग क्वेश्चन पे चले जाते हैं, तो क्वेश्चन पे जाने से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा सर। पहले टॉपिक
क्वेश्चन करना इज वेरी स्टूपिड थिंग, इज लाइक अ कंपाउंडर बिकमिंग अ डॉक्टर, जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग अ डॉक्टर। इफ स्टमक ओके सिप्लॉक्स TZ, then he become I am a doctor. This is not a doctor yaar, he's just knowing answer of some question without even understanding. So that's why my request is please do the theory for next 3-4 months. Theory should be the case. Like if I say Rajeshwari, हमने यही कहा कि पहले theory कर लो, एंड में we'll do all the TND, all the revision, GT mock होगा, but please do the theory first.
पहले थ्योरी फर्स्ट कीजिए, तब आप उसको फिर रैपिड एक नोट्स बनाइए जो रैपिडली आप उसको रिकॉल कर पाए, तब आप क्वेश्चन पे जा सकते हैं, PYQ या क्वेश्चन मॉड्यूल्स जो भी हो, तब अप्रोच आपका क्लियर होगा और कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा, तो एग्जाम में वो गलती बहुत कम होती है उससे। मेरा यही रहा कि गलती बहुत कम हुआ, मुझे जो मेरे रेडार में क्वेश्चन रहा मैंने उसको गलती नहीं किया। अब जो मेरे रेडार से बाहर रहा उसकी तो सबकी बात अलग है। 50-60 क्वेश्चन तो आप भी कहते हैं किसी को नहीं आएगा।
250 वाला वही बात है ना, 250 to 55 बस, इससे ऊपर पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर आर क्वेश्चन व्हिच यू डोंट इवन हैव अ आईडिया पूछ क्या रहा है। दैट्स ट्रू,
पूछ क्या रहा है, वही। तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस यही रहा सर। और मैंने नेपाल से MBBS किया है सर, तो यहाँ थ्योरी भी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, तो मैं थ्रू आउट द MBBS भी ठीक ठाक स्टडी में एक एवरेज स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ। मैं पढ़ा था और उसको फिर 2 से 3 महीना मुझे इंटर्नशिप छोड़ना पड़ा, मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था, फिर अभी इंटर्नशिप कंटिन्यू में हूँ। 6 मंथ मेरा इंटर्नशिप बाकी है, 2 to 3 months मैंने किया और 2-3 months ब्रेक मैंने लिया था।
मतलब इस बीच में मैंने दोनों चीजें एक साथ, मतलब दैट इज आल्सो कमेंडेबल ड्यूरिंग इंटर्नशिप, दैट इज ग्रेट यार।
ये और इंटर्नशिप से मुझे फायदा भी हुआ, कुछ पीडीआई के क्वेश्चंस मेरे इंटर्नशिप स्किल से सॉल्व हुए।
आई थिंक दिस इज वन एडवाइस, people who are doing internship like in China etc, give the exam. Some people say internship will be finished, only then they will give the exam. I think that is beneficial.
A lot of questions sir. Yes sir. पीडीआई का 2-3 क्वेश्चन आया था जो मैंने क्लिनिकल स्किल से ही सॉल्व किया सर। जैसे कॉन्जेनिटल हाइपोथायराइडिज्म पूछा था उसने, तो मोस्ट कॉमन कहाँ से ब्लड ड्रॉन करेगा, तो मैंने खुद ओटी में मैंने ब्लड ड्रॉन किया था एक बच्चे का, मुझे याद था। तो उससे मैंने वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया क्योंकि वो रैपिड रिवीजन में नहीं था पढ़ा।
So I think do internship properly before NEET PG. It'll again add extra bonus.
Yeah sir, of course sir. अभी भी मैं डरमा में हूँ सर, काफी अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलता है सर। मेरा अभी डरमा का पोस्टिंग चल रहा है।
क्वेश्चन आया था सिस्टिक वाला, सिस्टिक नोडुलर,
हाँ नोडुलर सिस्टिक, वो मेरा राइट हुआ था।
ये तो फायदा है टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस का एक बेनिफिट ये है कि व्हेन यू हैव एक्सपोजर तो फिर
हाँ
probability of correcting it is very high.
बेसिक्स तो पढ़ना ही पड़ता है आपको, बेसिक्स तो कुछ रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा, कुछ पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, लेकिन क्लिनिकल तो थोड़ा है, थोड़ा अप्रोच लगा के थोड़ा सॉल्व करके, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन तो हमेशा रिपीटेड नहीं रहते हैं सर। आप भी कहते हैं कि हमेशा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन तो नहीं आएगा, 10 20 25 40 क्वेश्चन बहुत हो गया पीवाई की। नए क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा ट्रिकी दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है।
They don't ask topics, hit topics हर time every time 200
वही मैं
आता ही आता है।
मैंने हमेशा कहा है क्वेश्चन रिपीट कैसे कर लोगे यार, मतलब ऐसी बेस का क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक दे विल हैव pH 7.55 ऑलवेज, इट कुड बी 25 आल्सो, मतलब हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल टू मेक अ क्वेश्चन विद एग्जैक्ट सेम pH, मतलब कई लोग कहते हैं सर सब कुछ सेम होना चाहिए, क्वेश्चन मार्क कॉमा, इफ नॉट यू आर नॉट गिविंग ट्रू, इफ आई न्यू एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल नॉट बी टीचिंग, आई विल सिट इन दुबई, है ना, आई विल टेलिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, सो दैट
एग्जैक्टली सर।
एंड
सर आपका सर एक और बात मैं कहना चाहूंगा, आपने यूट्यूब एक सेशन में एक बार बोला था कि मैं कश्मीर में आया हूँ, जम्मू कश्मीर में क्लास लेने, तो मैं यहाँ भी टाइम निकाल रहा हूँ और मैं वहां भी क्लास लिया, वहां भी टाइम निकाल रहा हूँ, मैं काफी हार्डवर्क कर रहा हूँ। उस टाइम मुझे एक चीज हिट किया सर कि आप एज ए टीचर हो के इतना हार्डवर्क कर सकते हैं सर, तो ये तो मेरा ड्यूटी बनता है कि मैं अपना सिंसियरली मैं अपना पढ़ाई करूँ और
हार्डवर्क। आवर एफएमजी स्टूडेंट्स टू वर्क हार्डर, ठप्पा लगा हुआ है कि एफएमजीज आर लेजी, नो यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, मार्क्स आ गए, अगला स्टेप है वर्क हार्डर देन योर आईएमजी जो भी आपके बैचमेट्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स इन हॉस्पिटल में, एंड शो कि हाउ केपेबल यू आर। वंस यू स्टार्ट करें, देखो ऑलरेडी देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ फैकल्टीज हु आर एफएमजीज एंड दे आर ऑलमोस्ट सेम लेवल, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इंफीरियर, एफएमजी फैकल्टी इज लेस, नो, they are same level. Same way, once you become consultant, you become HODs, you become like owners of your own businesses, I think that day the stigma will be gone, क्योंकि वही करना है।
Of course sir, और FMG के तैयारी से सर नीट पीजी का 30 to 40% तैयारी हो जाता है सर। मेरा ये मानना है सर कि हम लोग IMG से ऊपर है FMG निकाल के, कभी भी, क्योंकि हम लोग 30 to 40% नीट पीजी का तैयारी वहीं कर लिए हम लोग। एक बस यही है कि निगेटिव है वहां पे, थोड़ा फर्क तो यही है इसमें, उसमें क्वेश्चन का लेवल तो सेम ही है सर।
मेन क्वेश्चन, you don't have to change the notes, continue the same notes, just practice more questions, especially NEET PG QBank.
Yes sir.
So any last advice to all the students who are watching, all three of you one by one, तो एक काम करते हैं, we start with ladies first. Rajeshwari, final advice to the people who are giving July exam. Next year वाला तो हो गया, जुलाई वालों के लिए
suggest them to start preparation very hard. Yes. Don't be lazy in initial days also, because all the 6 months are like our last chance. That's because if you do hard work in these 6 months and later you will feel very happy because your hard work will pay off definitely. That's true. Today I'm feeling the same. I forgot all my hard like how I faced problems, everything, I forgot everything. So I suggest everyone to read, do MCQs every day. That's and whatever.
Thank you very much. Okay, आदर्श बताओ भाई।
सर मैं यही कहूँगा सर, जैसे जो नए बच्चे आ रहे हैं तो लास्ट के जो 3 मंथ है बहुत ज्यादा क्रूशियल टाइम होता है, उसमें कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं रहा है, जो नोट फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो वही फॉलो कर रहे हैं। जैसे लास्ट मोमेंट में बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि इधर चेंज करने लग जाते हैं कि ये अच्छा नहीं तो वो अच्छा नहीं, इससे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आए तो वो फॉलो कर लेता हूँ, इससे ज्यादा आए तो वो फॉलो कर लेता हूँ। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, अगर आप स्टार्टिंग से जो नोट फॉलो कर रहे हो उसी को करो, अगर चेंज करना होता है तो स्टार्टिंग में कर लो, और मैक्सिमम डेली 150 क्वेश्चन करो, फिर अपना कॉन्सेप्ट करो और शेड्यूल बना लो कि मुझे 3 दिन में खत्म करना है तो करना है, चाहे कुछ हो जाए। इस टाइप से पूरा एकदम विल पावर खुद जनरेट करना पड़ेगा, अगर तो कोई भी लेजिनेस नहीं,
सिंसियरिटी वाली बात है, आपको टारगेट बनाया है पूरा करना है।
अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आते हैं इवन लाइव नहीं देख पाए तो सर उसको ऑफलाइन में एटलीस्ट देख ही रखते हैं, क्योंकि 25 क्वेश्चन इस बार जो आपने नया इनिशिएट किया था तो वो भी काफी अच्छा लगा सर मुझे।
थैंक यू भाई।
क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ जो सर आप कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करते थे वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे।
बिल्कुल भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच। चलो भाई रिजवान बताओ।
जी सर मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा सर कि स्टॉप रैंडम स्टडी सर, सबसे पहले रैंडम स्टडी से सर एफएमजी एक बार में क्लियर नहीं होगा सर, 2 बार 3 बार में हो सकता है, एक बार में तो नहीं होगा सर।
नहीं बिल्कुल
सर
सही।
ट्राई टू बिल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑन योर टॉपिक्स। जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं सर, उस पे कॉन्फिडेंट आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, इससे मैं गलती नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
दैट्स ट्रू।
आप उस टॉपिक से गलती करना समझिए कि पाप करना है एफएमजी के लिए।
नहीं दैट्स ट्रू।
तो सर मैं यही कहूंगा सर कि हर टॉपिक पे कॉन्सेप्ट बनाए सर। जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, जो भी मटेरियल आपका ऑनलाइन हो, जो भी स्ट्रीम हो, हम किसी भी कोचिंग का कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, आप उस पे विश्वास जताए और उस चीज को आप पढ़े सर अच्छे से।
दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स ट्रू।
हाँ, टॉपिक को कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करे, अप्रोच क्लियर करे, और गलतियां जब हो रही हैं तो उस गलतियां को फिर आप वो नोट डाउन करें। आप एक कॉपी बनाए जो जो जिस टॉपिक से आपकी गलतियां हो रही हैं, फिर उस टॉपिक का मेन वीडियो खोले, आप उसको पढ़े समझे, तब क्वेश्चन पे आप जाएं। और जब आपका सब फिनिश हो जाए तब आप क्वेश्चन पे जाए, तो पूरा 19 का 19 सब्जेक्ट मैं बोलूंगा कि पढ़ ही जाए। लोग छोड़ते हैं कि कभी ये छोड़ दे वो छोड़ दे, वो सर वैसे नहीं हो पाएगा सर।
So I think that is a very good advice. So the finally, thank you very much to all three of you, Dr. Rajeshwari, Dr. Adarsh, Dr. Rizwan. We are very proud as teachers that finally we are seeing you on the other side. You were as students, now you are doctors, fellow doctors, and very soon you will be seeing the patients. He's already seeing Rizwan, but still very soon you will be getting into NEET PG. And I really want to see you all succeed to the highest level. Be not just the doctors, but the healing doctors. एक होता है doctor, the one who's just having a degree or maybe some position, and one is where the patient look up to you and they actually want to wait for you. वो कहते हैं ना line लगी होती है. I've seen the doctors of older time. There'll be a line in front of their clinic. कि only we want the treatment from this doctor because they trust you. And trust only come with your knowledge, expertise, behavior. वो एक combination होता है. Degree से नहीं आता, behavior से नहीं आता, एक सब कुछ combo है. That combo I want to be created in you, that you people should be so famous, your parents should be known by your name. कि these are the parents of Dr. Rajeshwari, Dr. Rizwan. अभी तक होता ना कि she is daughter of Dr. Reverse issue रखा कि they should be known by your name. I think that will be the proudest day for them. So I think
the best blessing a teacher can give. What are you saying?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
very much.
Thank you.
Let's meet offline, face to face, and we'll have again chat. Take care. Good night. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.